Here's a complete set, a motor set for BERNINA 117. Now the set includes the motor, the bracket, okay, goes there, the foot pedal with its cable, a belt, attaching screws. The plug is a European, but depending on where you reside, we will change it, all right, if that is needed. So the motor goes here on the BERNINA 117, all right. I have the screws, the bracket is adjustable, meaning you can adjust the tension of the belt and the position of the motor. Now, before fastening the screws, we need to pass the belt. To pass the belt, we need to remove the balance wheel. You have to unscrew the lock nut, screw here, then you remove these, remove the balance wheel, and pass the belt here in the groove. Install it back again. The ring and the lock nut. Okay, you fasten this, and after you fasten it, you screw that screw inside, all right, so it locks. Now the belt goes through the pulley here. You pull the motor outside, okay, and fasten the screws. Okay, now if the motor or your belt is, if the belt is still loose, you can still adjust the position from here, okay, and there are two screws here. You can pull the motor further out, then the belt will you will add tension to the belt, okay. Now this is loose a little bit, but you get the idea. Now there's a plug here, a socket here. The socket where this plug goes, okay, you see there is a, this is not aligned, it's a bit lower, you align it here, okay, you insert it and then plug to your wall outlet. Now these cables are not restored yet, it's not fixed. The pedal also is not restored. Okay, so now we have plugged it inside and we have electricity here. Now let me fasten the motor a bit, secure it here and here. Okay, and now I'll stick this tape here so you can see the pulley is rotating. And like this, we have installed the motor. If you see, it's adjusted for low speed. Okay, the pedal is adjusted. It just needs some cosmetics to be done. All right, unplug it for the mains. Unplug from the motor, and we're done.